Alright, quick video on installing a new antenna cable for your original stereo. So for starters, that's the end for the radio, there for the antenna. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to fish it through here, the hole down here, behind the hinge, and then through the hole right there. Okay, and once you got it fished through, and then there's a rubber plug on here that plugs up that hole that you fished it through. But before you plug it in, get your right length that you need up here. So just enough room here so that you can hook up the antenna and then pull up your slack through the plug. All right, and once you got the slack, so that's probably enough room. And then got the plug in right here, and then just fish the rest through the dash to your stereo.